Do you like or enjoy using technology?
Of course, why not? Now I am using technology and continue the session with the help of technology. If I have no technology, I am not able to continue the session and my life become dull. Nowadays, with the technology, no man can alive if he is a conscious people in this world.
Okay, where is your hometown?
It's actually my hometown is Pirospur under Borishal division, and my birthplace is it's called Nesrabad Upazila.
Okay, so what is famous for Pirospur?
Actually, Pirospur is famous for a lot of causes. First cause, I was born in Pirospur. Its main causes.
Yes.
Another cause, I say, a big guava garden in Pirospur and Kuriana. A lot of guava produced here, and a lot of guava is exported all over the Bangladesh, not only in Bangladesh, also outside of the Bangladesh, this foreign country. And another thing, a lot of amra. It is called amra. It's a tasty foods. It's produced in our locality, and there is a floating vegetables garden. It's an amazing garden in
Okay, is there
Pirospur.
any place that any stranger should visit if they visit Pirospur? Is there any famous place for visiting for a stranger, for a
Yes,
visitor?
of course. There is a place. It's called Horinpala. It's an amazing place for the tourist, and sometimes the tourists of different places of the country come here to enjoy the
Why
beautiful
that
things
place
in
is
this area.
famous for? Why that place is famous for?
Because there's a good park situated in this area, and for this reason, people of various different places visit here. And if they want to live there, they can live here. And if he's a government officer, of course, in the Dak Bungalow situated in the district level, he can enjoy the Dak Bungalow. And in the Upazila level, then there is a Dak Bungalow. He or she, if he is a government official, she can reside there.
Exactly. Understand. Thank you so much, Manzur Islam, sir. Thank you so very much for your, input regarding this topic and for joining this session. If you people join the session,
Okay.
it feels really good for me. I always enjoy talking to you people.